Hi everybody, Alex here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the benefits of linking your account to successful robot traders. Now, I haven't made a video for quite a while. I've been on holiday, we've been in Cyprus, I'm in Greece at the moment. Now, as the slide says, are you making 16% per month in your sleep? And I'm going to show you a bit about how that is possible. And one of the other benefits is that even a total beginner can start making money straight away by linking their account to successful robot traders. So the service I'm talking about is the Link to Success service, and essentially, as it says there, are you tired of seeing other robot traders succeeding while you are battling? And there is also no need to wonder whether you can develop the trading skills necessary to earn above average robot trading income. So that is what the service provides. And let's go and have a look at the website. And the link to the website is up here. A clickable link will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. And here we are on the website proper, and I'm just going to scroll down. I'm not going to go into too much detail. You have the link. If you want to get more detail, please use that link and read all about it. Essentially, if you cut everything down to the most basic, is that what you would do is you can use your own broker account and link that account to a successful robot trader and receive all the trades made by that successful trader into your account. So it's like a copying service, and the biggest benefit here is that we have really good proven success records of these robots. So let's go and have a look at those proven records. And as I said, I'm not going to go through the website in a lot of detail. I'll just point out some key areas. Here you can see some of the accounts that are available on the service, and these are monthly average gains. So there are some accounts that are doubling their account every month, and then it goes down to 14% and so on further down. But you can see the potential here of linking your accounts to really good accounts is there. Okay, so now here we are on the page that says the accounts that you can link to in this particular service, and there are 59 accounts you can link to, so you're not short of choice. And the average age of the account in this service is 220, quite high. You can see some are over a year old. So this service has been going for a while. It has really robust accounts that you can link to. And the average gain is 88%. So in other words, very close to each account doubling itself all the time. Again, we're talking about averages here. The average success rate is 66%, and you can see how consistent that number is when you look down on this list. Then the average monthly gain, $800. Now, if you think about it, the accounts used here, $10,000, $800, that's an 8% return a month. Now, the previous week when we did this update, the return was 8% for that particular week. So we monitor the returns on the portfolio, because this is a portfolio of 59 accounts, and we look at the equity values as this portfolio progresses, and it is growing and growing all the time, and that is because it has a 16% average monthly gain. Now, some of these accounts, let's just go and have a look if we can sort it from large to small. Some of these accounts, as I mentioned earlier, have 100% monthly gains. So there are some huge gains that are being made, and you can select which accounts you want to link to. So that's the crux of this particular service. How it works is you join our paid premium forum. This service is free to paid premium members. And how you join the forum is you go down right to the bottom of this particular page. A lot of information, a lot of support videos and things like that. And you can even go and read the welcome letter before you join, so that you can see the support that is given to participants in the service. And here you join the premium forum. It is $74 a month or $61 a month if you pay on an annual basis. So that's how you join this particular service. And when we look at the benefits, you'll see that those benefits are actually very high. Okay, so let's talk about the benefits. And one of the biggest benefits to a total beginner is this service is so simple. All you do is you open a broker account, you link it to an account in the linking service, and that is that you get the benefit of those accounts. So in this process for a beginner, you don't need any background. The guidance is given, and you learn how to use robots, because we do use a robot that links your account to the signal provider's account. So there is a robot that sits on your account and collects all the trades. So you learn all about robots. You learn about broker accounts, because you've got to open a broker account. You can actually open any type of broker account to participate in the service, as long as it is a MetaTrader broker account. You learn all about low risk. You learn about position sizing. Position sizing is where people lose their money. If you have no skills about position sizing, you will lose a lot of money. But you learn about that in a safe environment, because you're basically copying competent traders. And this gives you the opportunity to learn while you're making money. So you link your account, you get it going, it trades away, and then it gives you time to focus on other areas about Forex trading that you want to learn about. So it's really ideal for beginners to get involved in Forex trading on a low risk basis. Now, there are a lot of battling traders out there, and a lot of them have a lot of baggage. They have lost money, and they are not in a position to really make a lot of money from robots trading. So what the service does, because they have so many successful trader accounts out there, it restores their faith and confidence in Forex trading, a very important thing for battling traders. It also shows them the KISS system. Just keep it simple, stupid. You really don't need to get overly involved in all these technical things. All you need to do is link your account through the robot that is provided to one of the accounts. It also teaches the importance of position sizing. A lot of the position sizing is done by the signal provider, so you don't need to worry about it, but it shows you the importance. Also, you see risk management in action. In other words, these accounts are, on the whole, traded in a very risk-controlled manner. So you can actually see that in action. And you will develop new skills such as account selection. You need to go through that list of accounts, see which ones you like, which ones have the lowest drawdowns, which ones are the most robust, and so on. And it also starts teaching you about portfolio trading. And portfolio trading is when, rather than putting all your eggs in one basket and only linking to one of those accounts, what you do is you link, for instance, to 10 of those accounts or 20 of those accounts. And what that means is that, as you've seen, overall, these accounts make 16% return. So it balances your risk. So sometimes the euro might be down, or the franc might be up, or whatever, and that by using a portfolio, you balance your risk, and you can sleep a lot better if you've got a portfolio that runs on a balanced basis. And here's an example of a client that actually went through that process. They lost a lot of money, and when I say a lot, of more than $50,000. So so as the client says there, and this was a comment from YouTube, I bought some of the EAs that they provide, looked at all his videos, and lost a lot because I was either impatient or did not understand the EA and the market. Now, one of the things that this trader definitely didn't understand, position sizing and management of risk, because you wouldn't lose so much money if you understood that. So this service takes it all away, and as I've said, it does the single provider manages risk and position size. I'm close to recovering everything I lost in a month. So this trader lost 50,000. They have recovered it, and this was written most probably about 3 or 4 months ago. The trader definitely recovered all their money, and they're now making huge progress. And this trader is now using portfolios, and quite big portfolios, 10 to 20 links that are being made, and that balances their portfolio. This is by far the best side income you could possibly hope for. I'm blowing his trumpet because he's changed my life with this service. So now let's have a look at the last group, which is the experienced traders. Now the experienced traders are actually the ones that make the mega bucks from this service, because they learn how to create portfolios of quality accounts and balance risk in that way. They only need to review this portfolio every weekend or so. If it's doing well, you just look at it and say, oh, it's doing well, I don't need to do anything. But if there are elements in the portfolio, some of the ones that aren't doing too well, you can take action. You can lower your risk in those particular accounts that aren't doing well. And they learn how to select the best account. Sometimes it doesn't work out, sometimes it does. But by doing it a lot, you develop those skills to select the best accounts. And they also learn to increase income with lower risk. So in other words, if they have confidence in an account, they can actually increase their position sizing, make higher profits without incurring further risk because of the confidence they have in the track record of that particular trader. So experienced traders are the ones that make the biggest money, and that's why I said this guy has recovered $50,000 in less than a month, and those are the traders that really benefit from the service. So the beginners benefit, the traders that are battling benefit, and the experienced traders can really milk the Forex market using this service. So all that's left for you now is to join the service and experience it for a month or two. And once you've got that behind you, you will not look back, because the results that you receive will be well above those that you've received in the past in a risk-controlled base. So from me, Alex Deploy, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've learned a little bit about what it takes to succeed and how you can succeed as a total beginner as well as a highly experienced trader. If you do have any questions or comments, please use the YouTube comments facility to make those comments or ask those questions. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.